Good morning, Paris! So today is our last day here at Hotel Terminus Leon. And this is the view. Ang ganda, di ba? Ang hirap mag-check out dito. Sarap pa sana magstay, no? Try nyo din dito, guys, sa Hotel Terminus Leon. Sobrang convenient niya, tsaka tapat lang siya ng train station. Yes. So ayun, today pupunta tayo sa Montmartre, yung sa movie ni John Wick, at sa Sacré-Cœur Basilica kung saan ako ni-love-lock ni Honey. And speaking of movie, isasama din namin kayo sa charming Pink Cafe that was featured in Emily in Paris. Plus, itatry din natin for the first time ang famous escargot nila dito. After that, we just walk and soak in the Parisian vibe until we reach Moulin Rouge. And also, this is our last day here in Paris because later tonight, biyahe na tayo papuntang Switzerland! So ito na nga, before we start the day, di ba nga naiwan namin yung gamit namin sa locker sa Disneyland Paris kagabi? Kaya ito, for the back and forth kami para kunin yung bag. So since mahaba ang biyahe, sa train na rin kami nag-breakfast. Grabe, 1 oras papunta at pabalik. Epic talaga yun. Anyway, let's move on and let's go!
Hello, hello! Welcome to day 5 of our Europe travel series.
See that? This is John Wick Day. Hello, girl. Finally, nandito na kami sa Montmartre. Basta ang ganda ng vibe dito, guys.
And yes, this is the exact spot kung saan nahulog si John Wick down the stairs. Pero don't worry, walang nahulog today. Safe kami.
Painkiller. Yan, dito nalaglag si John Wick. Sana, baby? Sana yan? Saan ka tumingin?
Nalungat ko ba?
Gagayahin mo si John Wick pagkalaglag? If ayaw nyo mag-hike dun sa hagdan na nilaglagan ni John Wick, like me,
Good news! Dahil may funicular ride going up to Sacré-Cœur Basilica.
yes, parang mini cable car siya.
You can use your regular metro ticket. Super easy niya. Just stop in and ride up. Worth it para di kayo mapagod agad. Especially kung meron kayong whole day to tour around Paris.
Han, back and forth kaya yung ticket natin?
Où tu veux à l'ensemble?
Bebe.
Quand Sophia. Non mais je verrai là-bas.
Mas alam mo yung Parisan. Ano, hindi pa tayo nag-love yung malak doon sa
Sige, mamaya. Ilalak mo na ako sa puso mo.
yun.
Sa video ka, girls.
Shooting ni John Wick taas.
Love luck. Here. Yung lakihan ako. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica is even more stunning in real life.
And look at this view, guys! Paris from above. Sobrang ganda!
Wow. Tara din tayo sa gitna. And of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang love lock dito sa City of Love. Nakahanap na kami ng spot kung saan ako ilalak ni Han.
And ayan, kita nyo naman, I officially locked up my honey in Paris!
Na tayo ay
Hindi na maling maghihiwalay. Rory and Lala, araw na ito, kayo ay pinagkasundo at nilak dito sa Paris. Ito. Okay, lock na po ito.
Haha, no key, no skate. And I love every second of it.
Okay.
Ito ang ating agreement na ikaw ay susunod sa akin.
Ba't may ganun?
I-picture mo. Pag dyan, nakalagay ha. Sa may dito. Sa ilalim.
Okay, ma'am. Lock na po. Lock na daw.
Natin sa Paris. Ang pagmamahalan ng dalawa. Nag-iibigan. At sila.
I love you.
May waffle din dito. Ay, bilhin na tayo Raf Magret.
Masili kasi cake her. I like it here.
Yeah, I like the place. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go to Emily.
Ay, yung cute naman ng aso.
Ayaw niya umalis. Ito na yung si Emily in Paris. Dito sa pababa. Grabe na. Pag dumaan kay luggage mo dyan. Ito na si Emily. Nasa lalaki Paris. There.
This is it, guys! You've probably seen this in Emily in Paris, the famous Pink Cafe, La Maison Rose. This place is so charming and photogenic, parang nasa movie talaga kami.
This is it, guys! We're finally trying the infamous Parisian escargot for the first time. If you are up for it too, look for small local bistros away from the tourist traps. They're usually more authentic and more budget-friendly.
So, first time trying escargot in Paris. Honey, look! Sige, pisatin mo yung gitna. Yan. Relax lang daw, don't put too much pressure.
There you go.
Wow! How was it? Oh, hinihigop pa. It's yummy. Yeah, but I will eat ibang food first before I try. One. Harap nga.
Yung sabaw, sarap din.
Oh, Jiban, sarap.
Masang pesto nga. Hindi lang tingin lamang. So, how was it? Ang sarap, kaya nakakadami pala sila nito.
Harap. Like it? Eh, medyo mahal dito, oh. 790. Di ba yung binili natin dun sa ano? Pardon. Hello. We're leaving Paris today. Kakabitin siya kasi there's a lot of...
Ayun na naman yung bear. Kaya pala may bear yung ano namin, Paris.
It's a thing pala here, yung bear. Paris the bear. So, baby, next stop is we're going to Switzerland. Yeah, so tonight yun. So, magtulog lang kami ng isang gabi tapos
Magising kami na
magising natin. Yeah, Switzerland na tayo. We're going back to our hotel na to get our luggage and catch our train. That's all. See you.
Ang dami pala talagang nag-ano rito.
That's the luggage. Punta tayo sa harap na.
And finally, our last stop in Paris is Moulin Rouge. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi? Oh, tama na. Baka makapiright. Haha, galing ng hindi ko. And finally, it's time to say au revoir to Paris. We headed to the train station for our night journey to Switzerland.
For peace of mind while you travel, your luggage must be labeled and stored in the spaces provided. The entire crew and I will be happy to help you throughout the trip, so feel free to call us as we book through your carriage. We wish you a pleasant trip.
Finally, we arrived at Basel, Switzerland. Lang.
Welcome to Switzerland! So, this is our first night. So, mag-check-in lang tayo, matutulog na bukas tayo nag-start na. Apake!
Okay, see you guys. Hanapin pa kasi namin yung pack.
Ako yung Scottish na soldier.
Hanapin pa kasi namin yung platform para makapag-transfer. Sige na. Bye-bye! See you! Hanapin natin ang ating platform para...
Sumit. Yan, galing yung aling dapat mo din sa mga para. Okay.
So, let's find our place. Hanip, okay lang ba nakatayo? O kailangan nakahiga ang video?
Pag nakatayo, vertical yan.
Kaya
Hindi natin
okay lang.
na-upload
Ah.
sa...
To where?
So this is Basel Station. Looks like.
pa namin nahahanap yung way namin. Hi! Hello! Hanap-hanap pa tayo.
Nasa tram kami. Ganda ng tram. Ang ulo ni Kuya. Basta yan yung may harap pa sa atin.
Guys.
Ano ito? Station.
Magsasabi mo, pagod na ang ating turista. Konti na lang, papunta na kami sa next stop na.
München-Steiner Straße.
Baba na kami. Baba na muna tayo. Yan daw. Tara na guys. So, yan. Ginabi na kami. Ayan, tram. Ayun, nakita na. Ito, pwede ko din daw sa akin. Sige na guys, mamaya na. Malapit na kami sa hotel. So, finally. Yes, thank you Lord. Home. Nice. Big. It's considered big, guys.
So guys, here's a quick look at our room. Simple, comfy, and perfect for a one-night rest.
One night lang kami dito eh, so not bad. So big room, thank you Lord, we're finally home. May dala na rin kami pagkain by the way, kasi alam namin mostly pag gabi na, ayun nga, either sarado na sila or walang pagkain. Banana. Yun. So, thank you Lord. Ang oras sa loob.
And that's a wrap for our last full day in Paris. We have such a magical time, from Montmartre to Love Blocks and the Escargot, Susuk, and of course our little John Wick moment.
And now, it's time to rest because Switzerland starts tomorrow! We're so excited for Lucerne, one of the most beautiful places we'll ever dream of visiting.
So don't miss our next vlog, Day 6, Lucerne. It's gonna be mountains, lakes, trains, and breathtaking views. Promise it's going to be epic.
So if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join us on the rest of our Europe travel series.
See you on the next episode. Switzerland, here we go. For now,
good night from Basel.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.